Action.
Hi guys, and welcome to week 46 of CSONS at home. So this week we've gone down a bit of an Italian vibe. Yeah, I'll run you through the dishes. So for the starter we have got some delicious purple sprouting broccoli from Evesham. We have got some sourdough croutons, which is made of our own sourdough. We have an anchovy dressing on there and some Care Caradoc cheese from Mr. Moyden's. Next up we have got some lamb from our friends on Clee Hill that we kind of braised down in some Passo Primero wine, like a traditional sort of Italian style lamb stew with some nice polenta and some chicory that's been braised in orange juice and lamb stock and lots of tasty garlic, and that's good. And then as the wild garlic's just come in, we've picked a bit of wild garlic and we've made a kind of salsa with that to go on top. And finally, Yorkshire's finest rhubarb has just started being for sale, so there's some lovely poached rhubarb, and then we've got a lemon tart. On this one we've done a line of rhubarb on the bottom, but I think for sending we're not going to do that because we're a bit worried it's going to come slipping off and we don't want to send you a broken tart at the end of the day. And then that's served with a honey and rosemary sauce. This is basically the poaching juice from the rhubarb with some fizzy water, and I'll put a rosemary sprig in it, and it's very tasty. So yeah, so Valentine's was a couple of weeks ago. That was one of our record weeks. And yeah, thank you all for buying it and buying this week's, and hopefully you'll enjoy this. Thank you.
Woo!
There we go.